Hello guys, what's up? So I'm back again for another tutorial video. So in this video, I will gonna show you how you can delete any of your repositories on GitHub. So if you are interested, then keep on watching. But before all that, if you are new to my channel, consider to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and also, you can comment down below if you have something that you want me to make a tutorial about. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. So to delete any of your repositories on GitHub, it's actually pretty easy. Just follow what I'm gonna do. So for the first step, you will need to open the repository you want to delete. You will be able to find all your repositories right here. So just select the one you want to delete to open it. And once you've opened your repository, next, I want you to go to the Settings tab right here. And here on Settings, I want you to make sure that you are in the General section. And once you're sure that you are in the General section, just scroll down to the bottom and then you will now be able to see the Delete Repository option right here. Just go and click it. And then click I want to delete this repository. And after that, GitHub will show you a warning before you can delete your repository, since deleting a repository is a very critical action. So make sure you have backed up all important files, saved any essential documentation, and reviewed any open issues or pull requests. Remember, this action is irreversible, so once deleted, the repository cannot be recovered. But if you're already sure that you want to delete it, you can now click this button. And after that, you will need to enter your repository name right here. You will be able to see the name here, so just type it in. And once you're done typing the name correctly, you can now click Delete this repository to completely delete it. And after that, it's done. Congratulations, your GitHub repository will now be finally deleted. And so that's just how you do it, guys. Now that you've watched this video, you can now do it yourself. So that concludes our tutorial video for today. I hope it helped you. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.